Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all for class 7 subject science. So today we are going to start with a new topic, that is soil. All the children love to play with the soil. Yes, the mud. Everyone have tried playing with the mud, right? Soil is one of the most important natural resource what we have. Why? Because it provides encourage to the plants and supplies water and nutrients. It is the home for many organisms. Soil is essential for agriculture. Agriculture provides food, clothing and shelter for all. Soil is thus an inseparable part of our life. The earthy fragrance of the soil after the first rain is always refreshing. Yes or no? One day during the rainy season, so we thought what can be there? So we saw few earthworms coming out of the soil. Okay, you have seen the earthworm. Where do they live? Below the soil. There are many organisms which live in the soil. So collect some soil samples and observe them carefully. You can use a hand lens as you can see in the picture. There are different types of soil. Examine each sample carefully. Okay. What can you see? Each soil has different things. Yes or no? In soil it will be insects, concrete, stones, then dust, all will be there. In the construction soil, what will be there? Sand, cement and then concrete will be present. There are different types of soils, has different things in it. So what can you see is a vertical section through different layers of the soil is called the soil profile. Each layer differs in feel, that is texture, color, depth and chemical composition. You can do a small activity. Take a little soil, break the clumps with your hand to powder it. Now take a glass tumbler, 3/4 fill with water and then add a handful of soil to it. Stir it well with a stick to dissolve the soil. Now let it stand undisturbed for some time. Afterwards, observe it and now what can you see here? See, you have undisturbed. Now in one glass of water you have mixed the soil. Without disturbing it, leave it for some time. What can you see? You can see layers of particles. You can see different layers of particles and different size in the glass tumbler. As you can see here in the down it is the gravel which has settled in the down of the glass. The next it will be the sand. Afterwards you can see the clay. Then comes the water and the humus. Humus is what? The rotting dead matter of animals and plants remains is known as humus. Okay. Are there some dead rotting leaves on the or animal remains floating on the water? Yes, that is nothing but the humus. You probably know that the soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks, by the action of winds, water and climate. How it is formed? By the action, that is breaking of rocks. Soil is formed by the breaking of rocks, by the action of wind, water and climate. This process is called weathering. The nature of any soil depends upon the rocks from which it has been formed and the type of vegetation that grows in it. A vertical section through different layers of soil is called the soil profile. What you saw in the class, there are different layers were formed. No, these different layers are known as soil profile. Each layer differs in feel and texture, color, depth and chemical composition. So these different layers are known as horizons. What it is known as? Horizons. The layers of the soil which you can see here are different. So it is known as each layer is different horizon. This first one, the uppermost layer is known as A horizon. Below that it will become B horizon, then C horizon, and at the end we will say it as bedrock. Okay, we usually see the top surface of the soil, not the layer below it. Yes or no? If we look at the sides of a recently dug ditch, we can see the inner layers of the soil too. Yes or no? If we dig mud below, when we have to plant a tree or something we have to do, when we dig, we can see the inner layers. But always we can see only the topmost layer. That is the A horizon we can see. Such a view enables us to observe the soil profile at that place. Soil profile can also be seen while digging a well or laying the foundation of a building. It can also be seen at the sides of a road or a hill or at a steep river bank. The uppermost horizon is generally dark. The uppermost horizon, as you can see in the picture, it is the A horizon, is generally dark in color and it is rich in humus and minerals. What did I say to you about the humus? Humus is the remain of plants and animals. Dead remains of plants and animals are known as humus. The humus makes the soil fertile and provides nutrients to the growing plants. This layer is generally soft, porous, and can retain more water. It is called the topsoil or A horizon. What it is called? The topmost soil or A horizon. The soil provides shelter for many living organisms such as worms, rodents, moles, and beetles. The roots of the small plants are embedded entirely in the topsoil. So where are the roots of the plants? It is only in the topsoil. The next layer of the soil has a lesser amount of humus but more of minerals. What it will be having? More of minerals. As you can see in the picture, this is the A horizon, this is the B horizon. This has humus in it, means the second that is B horizon have minerals in it. This layer is generally harder and more compact is called the B horizon or the middle layer of the soil. Okay, it will be very hard. This will be porous. Okay, the top soil will be porous. Then this is the middle soil, and it is again, what is the name of this? This is the B horizon and it is harder. The third layer is the C horizon, which is made up of small lumps of rocks with cracks and crevices. Crevices is nothing but like bricks you can see here, the small bricks. This is known as crevices, okay, cracks in between. Below this layer is the bedrock. The last layer is the bedrock, as you can see in the picture, which is harder and difficult to dig with a spade. It is very difficult to dig this space. This is the bedrock of the soil. These are the four portions of, that is 4 types of soils which is present below the earth. First one is A horizon, then B horizon, C horizon, and the bedrock.